If you want to create a seamless Instagram photo, then you watch this video and subscribe to my channel for the next interesting video. First of all, open Photoshop and create a new file. Width is equal to 1080 and height is equal to 1350 and resolution is 300. Then click to create and next step is go to image, canvas size and click anchor to side and change 100% to 400% and click OK. Now go to the view, new guide layout, and number of columns is 4. And click the clear existing guides and OK. Select the slice tool and create 4 slices. Now open your image or drag it into Photoshop. And paste it into the file. And final step is go to the export option and select save for web. And check the file format is selected as JPEG and select quality is maximum and click save. Select your folder and select all slices and change name if you wanted. And check your photos. For upload the photo, go to the Instagram app and select multiple selection button and upload and fix the size and upload 4 sliced photos. Click upload. Thank you guys for watching the video.